What is up, everyone? Is this the most unreal remote control toy on the market right now? Today, we're finding out. This is the hot style Stunt Roll RC Tank, and the pictures on the box are promising some absolutely insane tricks. We're going to do a full unboxing, check out every feature, and then push this thing to its absolute limit to see if it's the coolest stunt tank ever. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've put a link for it down in the description for you. Let's get into it. The controller has dual modes, Mode 1 and Mode 2, to suit your driving style. You've got your standard control levers for movement, a power switch, an acceleration key for that extra boost, and a power indicator light. But the tank itself is where the magic happens. Alright, here we go. First impressions, the design is really cool. It feels solid, even though it's made of plastic. The dimensions are pretty compact, coming in at 15.5 by 14.4 by 7.5 centimeters, so it's a good size for both indoor and outdoor fun. The best part? The state of assembly is ready to go. The tank comes with its 3.7-volt lithium battery already included. The specs say the charging time is about 120 minutes, and that gives you a flight time, or in this case, a drive time, of about 20 minutes. That's a pretty standard ratio for a toy like this. Now, let's look at the tech. This isn't just a simple forward and back toy, this is a 6-channel RC vehicle. Look at these cool lights. And it's designed for double-sided driving, which means if you flip it, you just keep on going. We'll definitely be testing that. It also has a high-speed mode for when you want to really let it rip, and it can even do these fancy stunts, including an upright walking rotary move that I can't wait to see. The remote distance is about 30 meters, which gives us plenty of room to play. Wow, the high-speed mode is genuinely quick on the pavement. It handles the grass and even this rough dirt patch really well, thanks to these track wheels. Now for the moment of truth, the stunts. Here we go, look at that. The double-sided driving is incredible. And there it is. The upright spinning stunt. It balances on its end and just rotates. That is so cool. This thing is an absolute blast to drive. This thing is awesome. It is tough, the stunts are fantastic, and it's incredibly fun to just drive around. I honestly think it makes for a perfect birthday gift. It is definitely cool stuff. So, is it the most unreal RC stunt toy? I've got to say, it's definitely a contender. It does exactly what it promises and looks cool doing it. What do you guys think? What was your favorite feature? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you later.